Hey, what's up fellow programmers, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to talk about ternary operators in JavaScript. First let us take a look at the syntax and then we will write the code in JavaScript. Okay, so the syntax is condition. If this condition is true, followed by a condition followed by question mark. If this condition is true, execute this line of code, execute this, else followed by semicolon, else execute this line of code. Okay, I'm going to comment this line. Okay, so this is the syntax. If this condition is true, execute this line of code, else if that condition is false, then execute this. Okay, so let us initialize a variable called num and let us check whether that number is even or odd using ternary operators. Num equals, first initially I am going to assign it 12, so let num equals 12, and after that condition num mod 2 is equal to 0, then I want to log the message to the console as even number. Console.log, I'm going to give even num, else I'm going to console.log odd number. Okay, odd num. Now let us execute this and let's see what output we get on the console. Here we can see it has printed even number. Now let me give 13, which is odd. It should give odd number. Okay, so odd num. Normally you wouldn't do it this way. You assign this ternary operator to the variable and then you will log the message. Okay, you need to assign the output to some variable, right? Later you can utilize that variable. So you would assign here result equals this, and we can just remove both of those. Console.log, I'm going to remove those two, and then finally I would print that message here, console.log, then I'm going to print out result. Okay, now it should give the same output, odd number, and I'll give 14, and here we can see it has given even number. So that's how you use ternary operators in JavaScript. I hope you guys understood this. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until next time, take care and be safe.